Hughes has mentioned, sunflowers hold a special place in the MMSU story, proudly witnessing the success of thousands of graduates every year. They become witnesses and symbols as we wave with pride and hope. On behalf of the City Government of Batac and the City Tourism Office, we are deeply grateful that this beloved symbol now has dedicated home, which is more accessible and more welcoming to the public. We thank MMSU for making this a reality. We are grateful that the university continues to find new ways to open its doors wider to visitors, families, and communities who seek inspiration in its halls and now in its gardens. While this sunflower garden is available only a few months every year, we are glad that great improvements are being made in the MMSU grounds, which will become year-long attractions worthy of a trip to MMSU. We will be very glad to integrate these MMSU attractions to our tourism trail. The City Tourism Office warmly embraces all these initiatives that enrich visitor experience and strengthen Batac's identity as a destination for culture, learning, and meaningful experiences. We are thankful that MMSU shares our vision of a vibrant and welcoming city. And even me, and also to our students, panag ko nami apo dakkel epekto na tinapintas a campus. Aya apo. Yes, sir. It gives the inspiration and proper mindset to succeed. And just as sunflowers turn toward the light, MMSU, the pride of the city of Batac, continues to turn toward service and excellence. For this, we are deeply, sincerely grateful. Congratulations on the launching of the MMSU Sunflower Garden. Agbyag ti MMSU, agbyag ti siudad ti Batac, just ti Agmina.